Welcome to the review of the new POCO C65 smartphone, which offers powerful specifications at an affordable price. Let's take a look at what makes this phone unique. The POCO C65 looks stylish and modern thanks to its minimalist design, glossy back panel, and large camera block. Available in 3 colors, black, blue, and purple. The device weighs only 192 grams and fits comfortably in the hand. The fingerprint scanner is built into the side button for quick and secure access. The phone features a large 6.74-inch display with HD+ resolution and a refresh rate of 90 Hz. This ensures smooth scrolling and rich colors, ideal for multimedia and gaming. The screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass, and TUV certification reduces eye strain during prolonged use. The main 50-megapixel camera allows you to take bright and clear photos, while an additional 2-megapixel macro lens helps to capture the smallest details. The 8-megapixel front camera with LED backlight ensures high-quality selfies even in low-light conditions. Video is recorded in 1080p at 30 frames per second. The MediaTek Helio G85 processor is responsible for power, which copes well with everyday tasks and ensures smooth operation of applications. Versions with 6 GB or 8 GB of RAM are available, expandable up to 16 GB thanks to virtual memory technology. Built-in memory, from 128 GB to 256 GB, plus support for memory cards up to 1 TB. The 5,000 mAh battery provides up to 25 days of standby time or 23 hours of video playback. The smartphone supports fast charging with a power of 18 watts, which allows you to quickly replenish the charge. The smartphone is equipped with an NFC module, depending on the region, Bluetooth 5.3, USB Type-C, and a 3.5mm audio jack. The installed Android 13 system with the MIUI 14 shell for POCO makes the interface intuitive and productive. POCO C65 is a reliable and stylish smartphone that is suitable for both work and entertainment. Its price makes it an affordable choice for users who need a functional phone without overpaying. Which characteristics of POCO C65 impressed you the most? Share in the comments.